this one again. I don't know how to watch that kasi this one. I try only. Okay, and some apps, some pictures. That is my teeth. Loco. This is our memories. Mga old pa rin, it's the same. When she is 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Ayan. That is how together. Mga videos. So. Okay. So that I can delete this one. And I can make download na. Okay. And this one is the what's that of Madam. Okay. Is the what of Madam and the family. This one is the house of the mother of Madam. Ayan o. Yeah, last time. Before pa yan. Okay. Ayan o. Ayan. Ayan si Madam yan o. Okay. Ayan o. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. In the house of mother of Madam, or is the mother of Madam beside. And that one is the Christmas gift. That's what we have last time, that one. Go to the church, and this one is the Lotzi before. Oh, now, until now. Until now. With the white. That is also the white, the restaurant before Obser. Together, that one. So, in the Yarmuk. That is the views. The view outside. Okay. Yeah, white and Lotzi. It's before. That one is inside. Before yan, before. It's nice pa yan. Ayan, si Ilin. Before. That is before. And they are still working here in Iraq. Okay, yan o. That's all. The outside. Okay, and that one also with children. That's what we are. Ayan. May delete ko na yan. May delete na, so maka-download na ako ng ng new videos. Para ayan o. Ayan. Ayan o. Ang sisi. When the new. First we arrive here in the, what's that? Apartment to. Look, here I am. What I do. Ay, ginawa ko. That one. Okay. That is Christmas time yan. Mga previews. Okay, so once again, ayan 2022 pa. Once again, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Thank you that you are patient to watch in these old videos, old photos that what I download, so that I can make a new videos na. Thank you. Thank you nationwide, worldwide, to different countries, to different people in this world. Thank you very much that you are still watching and support the old viewers, the old subscriber, the old views, watching views. Thank you. Thank you very much talaga. Thank you. This one is when we go to the mall. Thank you again. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, thank you again. Thank you. Thank you for the support. Thank you that you're still watching of us. To all some vlogger that you're still supported from me from the beginning until now for my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you. And God bless us all. Keep safe lagi. Be careful. Whatever you do. YouTube channel, YouTube company. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. To the YouTube company, thank you. Bakit ayaw? Stop na. Why I cannot stop na? This one, stuck up na naman din. Hehehe.